What are you doing, Elle?
I'm drinking
What's
this soda. Ow! Ow!
drinking some sweat?
Yeah.
Hey, did Daddy ask you if you wanted pumpkin pie or sweat?
I pick sweat.
You picked sweat.
Over pumpkin pie.
Yeah. Pretty good stuff, huh?
Mama.
Yeah. How many thumbs up do you give it?
Mom.
Yeah.
Like it.
What are you doing?
I'm doing two fingers.
Two fingers?
Two thumbs and two fingers.
Mm.
Oh, that's how much you like it?
What?
Yep. That's what it takes to pick up the glass.
Can I show them this scope, and this teacher?